Hey there guys, it's Marlene Burton. Super excited to be here to help you in my $20 travel business. Thank you to Scott that actually talked to Steve and is helping us to get some stuff moving in our team. And so we were talking about the system being purged, which it makes a huge difference when the system is purged, but the system isn't purged. So we have information on how to get the things moving along. And so for you guys that have not heard my story, let me go ahead and tell you that because you can actually see it here, okay? A while back, Steve had my $1 business, okay? And I signed up for it, but I didn't ever really promote it, so to speak. I did get some people that were interested and people joined. I did okay in it. And then there was this pause. And then one morning I woke up and I said, I love to help people travel and go on vacation, okay? So I decided that I was going to be serious about helping people travel and go on vacation. I did not ask anybody to join my team. I woke up, 2 people joined me, and here you can see March 10th and March 11th, 2019, 2 people joined me. Those 2 people that joined me, I never asked anybody to join my team. One person said, I'm looking for a way to earn an extra income. The other guy that was in a business group, he just signed. I've never talked to him. I've sent messages to him. He's never responded. That's okay. Here he is here on March 11th. He is still paying his money. He is still active. Okay? So when you make a decision, if you don't hear anything else that I say, when you make a decision, the work is done. Okay? You have to make a rock solid, committed decision that you are going to help people. Okay? Give it time. The people are going to come unless you put up a block, unless you put up doubt. Okay? Be patient, guys. That's what it takes. So this is what Scott shared. Guys, this is teamwork. So Scott, thank you, thank you, thank you. Scott said, that Steve said, that we can fill this spot here, number 4201, and all I need to do is contact the Gmail, the My $1 Gmail information that we have. Contact them, let them know that this new person that is starting needs to go in that position, just like we do when we're doing placement. Okay, super simple. And so, as you can see here, most of these people are active. Okay? You want to get in and stay in. Just like you purchase insurance for your car, purchase insurance for your health, stay in the game, guys. It is going to be worth it. Okay? And so, as you can see, I have personally referred 21 people. Just got off the phone with a young lady. She said, I want to compare one travel business that I was offered to the travel business that you were offered. That one travel business cost $500. I don't know if she's interested or not. All I can do is share the information. I know exactly what company she's talking about. They send me the same information in a business group. So it's just up to her to decide. Okay? So, let's do this, guys. Give yourself permission to be free. Give yourself permission to make a difference in your life with the simple system. Okay? This is so simple, and I just told her I share Steve's video. Okay? Steve is the founder here. He can do this a whole lot better than I can. I take no credit for these 21 people. Literally, I made a decision. God has sent me those people. That's how I do my business, okay? And so, as you can see, the team is growing, 721 people. Some of those people are suspended. That's okay. At some point, they were interested in being their own boss, or they were interested in travel. So, those are the people that you want to work with, the people that have already shown interest, okay? So, thank you guys. Keep up the good work. My website is totallyfree.biz if you're looking for a business to join. And let's just focus on helping people, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. And just one more thing I want to share with you guys. I talked to a guy this morning in another country, and I just typically ask people, what's the economy like in your country? And guys, he basically said he was broke, okay? And I told him, I said, your words frame your world. And I 100% guarantee you that I can talk to somebody else on your block and they will find a way to do this business. And so if you are stuck, change your thinking and let's change your life. Thanks again. Bye for now.